In primetime news this evening, JUTC bus fares to be reduced. Flood damage estimated at over $400 million. And more delays in the Sagicor multi-million-dollar fraud case.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com, and a special welcome to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Janella Precious with a preview of what's to come in business news. Here's Andrea Chisholm.
Janella, this evening we're focusing on the economy. The PIOJ has released growth figures for the September quarter. How did Jamaica perform? That and more in the business day.
Thanks, Andrea. And Jordan Fort, what's up in Primetime Sports?
Well, Archie, the Reggae Boyz are getting prepared for a crucial second leg quarterfinal CONCACAF Nations League match against Canada in Canada. Freezing Canada, I'm hearing, by the way. So they have to score at least 2 goals to be able to make it to the semifinals. Will they do that? You're going to find that out on a Primetime Sports Tuesday.
They can do it.
Yeah, they can.
Ish.
Well, it's not freezing, but it's kind of colder than it was before.
Yeah, nice, I don't know. But Romain, it's not snowing here. What's happening with the weather?
Thanks so much, Janella. We do have cooler conditions across most of the island. We're seeing high temperatures, or at least maximum temperatures across most places of about 31 degrees Celsius. And we're seeing minimum temperatures getting down to 23 and 24. I'll tell you more in the weather report and forecast.
That's my type of weather,
With
to be
Christmas
honest.
breeze.
Yeah, we love it. There's also...
Oh, this is my portion, isn't it? There's also sports commentary and E-Prime in this newscast, but before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening, we're asking, what's your reaction to the reduction in JUTC bus fares?
You can share your comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and you can post on X at TVJ News Center.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.